Hi, this is IC Marie. Thanks for coming back to my page. This is going to be an everyday look that I do right before work. So super simple. I do not wear lashes. Maybe I'll entertain them while I'm on here with you guys. So the first thing I do, I always start off with my brows. Off with my Luxie brush. It's the 249 brush, and I'm going to use this end. I'm going to go ahead and use my brick shade right here. So now I'm going to go ahead and use that ORB shade right here, and I'm actually going to switch my duo brush to this side, which is more like a flat brush for your eyelid, and I'm going to go ahead and use that shade on my eyelid. Remember, guys, I don't do lashes every day. I don't even do lashes, period, really, to be honest with you. We may dibble and dabble in that once we get this thing going. We just having fun with it. This is what I do every day. I'm actually a teacher. I don't have time to do lashes. You never know what might happen in my day. So what I'm going to do is now I'm going to go ahead and put my eyeliner on. And I'm black. See how little it is? It's super little. You can put it in your purse. You can carry it with you. It has a really good tip, and I like these because I don't really like the little brush ones because I make mistakes a lot. So if I have like something like a pen like this, I can be more precise with my eyeliner. So here we go. So oh, Q-tips. If you read the back of a Q-tip package, this is not for your ears, for makeup. It's for mistakes like I just made right there. Okay. everyday look. Here you go. Let's go. This is my everyday. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope it doesn't take you long. I hope it take you less than 20 minutes. Start off with the eyebrows. They don't have to be perfect, and just have fun. Get you some good highlighter. She's wetting. Wow. I feel like I need to put a little bit more here. Okay. This is I See Marie. I see me. I see you too, sis. See you later. Bye.